Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through another cool trick on Excel. So what we're trying to do here is to find all the cells with formulas and highlight them. So I've got a bunch of numbers mixed together with some formulas in this workbook. The easiest way, there are multiple ways, but the easiest way to find all the formulas in this worksheet is to go to the formulas ribbon and click on show formulas. And there you go. You will be able to find any cell with a formula in it. Now I can go and just manually change the color to highlight all these cells. Alternatively, if you have a huge spreadsheet with multiple formulas sprinkled across the spreadsheet, we can find the cells. So press ctrl+F to bring this page up, and I want to find anything with the equal sign because our formulas will always have to start with the equal sign. And I'm going to look for in this particular worksheet, not the entire workbook, and I'm looking in formulas only. So I'm going to click on Find All. If I select all this using a mouse, this will actually help me to select all the cells currently with a formula in there. What I'm going to do next is just to color code it into yellow. So there we go. The next step I want to do is I want to protect these formulas so I will not accidentally overwritten them. Whereas all these numbers, I'm happy to change them from time to time. So in order to do that, again, there are multiple ways, but I'm just showing you a way that I find to be easiest for myself. So go to Ctrl+A, and then you want to bring out the format cells. You can right click on your mouse to bring that out. Alternatively, you can go shortcut on your keyboard, ctrl+1. Then go to the protection tab. Now the spreadsheet, usually speaking, your every cell is set as a default locked as a default in Excel. So we want to untick that. So what that means is after we protect the spreadsheet, so we go protect sheet, we'll still be able to edit every single cell if we untick that locked cell. Now I want to edit everything except all these formula cells that I have already highlighted. So what I'm going to do is to select all the cells again. So I'm going to go in here. This time, let's make things a little bit more interesting. Instead of find all the equal signs, I'm going to find anything with the highlighted yellow color. So to do that, I'll go to Find Format, and I'm going to go Fill. So I know I've used yellow color, but if I'm in doubt, I can choose Format from a cell and just click on the cell that I want to find with that particular color and click on Find All. There we go. Now we can select all this. So now we once again selected all the cells with formula in there, and we can close this. It served its purpose. And now we go back to format our cells, bring up that shortcut key, or you can just click on here. Unfortunately, before you do that, you have to unprotect the sheet, otherwise you can't bring up the format cell. So Ctrl+1 and go to protection, and we want to lock those cells. So click OK. Now we protect our sheet and go OK. We are able to change all this, but we can't change all the cells that we highlighted. There you go. Hope today's tips is useful to you. If you like the video, please give a thumb up button or subscribe to my channel. Thank you.